I'm Callum from the Boat Fit Co, and we've just installed this product called the Boat Battery. It's a new lithium battery that's drop-in for us. It's all plug and play. Everything comes pre-programmed. It's easy to install and we found it great. The instructions were really clear. The alternator was all pre-prepped away of sight. So we're able to just drop that in and it's removed any implications and niggles that we've had in the past with alternator charging. They're offering a 5-year warranty as well, so that's covered us for anything in the future where they'll come out and they'll actually address the issue with the battery. As we have had times in the past, we've had to physically remove the battery ourselves and send it away for its warranty repair, leaving the client without power or leaving us out of pocket having to supply an additional battery. Really enjoyed installing it. They've sort of really minimised the amount of things that we have to do and put on. It all comes pre-programmed as well, so there's no time wasting late in the evening trying to program everything as we need. So this is definitely a product that we'll be implementing on our builds in the future. It's brilliant because it allows us to give clients lithium and removes any of the niggles and implications that we've had before. This batch has given us the opportunity to install a high-level system with a plug-and-play installation.